Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to switch out an SVG icon on your website. Let's dive right in. First things, locate the SVG icon you want to change on your website. It could be in the header, footer, or any other section. Look for the SVG element in the HTML code. You'll see something like SVG. Now, all you need to do is replace that path or direct SVG with the one for your new icon. And there you have it. Your SVG icon is now updated. But wait, there's more. If you want to take your SVG customization to the next level, you can easily tweak the size and color.